welcome back to my channel. It's Vacay here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fold your scarf and how to properly wrap your hair with a silk press. So here I have my satin scarf. It's just a regular square scarf. Maybe I'll stand up. And then I'm going to fold it diagonally. So I'm going to take this in and I'm going to meet it with this one. So there we have it. Proper way to fold your scarf for a silk press. Okay. So then I'm going to take my brush. I'm going to brush my hair. And I like to place a hand like here on my head just to keep it from swirling at the top and getting that little weird piece that usually is like off to the side. So I'm going to brush that down and I put my hand here and I'm going to begin wrapping from the back. You can start from the front, but I just get better results when I start from the back. Okay, so I'm going to begin to wrap in the direction that my hair is normally wrapped in, which I start from right to left. And then you're just going to take the hair all the way around your head and you're going to clamp your fingers so you can hold the hair in place. And I just do this around my whole head. Let's see the other side. Okay, now I'm going to hold my hair in place with my hand. And then we're going to take the pre-folded scarf and we're just going to slide it. I'm going to grip both sides of that to hold the hair in place underneath. Any loose hairs, you just wrap it around. That's a wrap. Before I tie the scarf, just one good twist. Okay, now the two sides, you have a middle. I like to hold this down with my mouth. And then you just do one tie. And then again, just turn it one more time just to be sure. It never can be too sure. Okay. So then you're gonna pull. You're gonna pull the two sides, and then you're gonna bring the two sides together in the back and tie that. And then you pull the tongue and you fold it into the side here. And one more twist, you know, for good measure, see? And there you have it, a nice wrap for your silk press. If this video has helped you in any way, like, comment, and subscribe. If you would like to see more of these or different ways I wrap my hair and keep it protected at night, just comment below and let me know. Bye-bye. Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I was going to show you how to unwrap your silk press and how to wrap your silk press. I get a lot of videos, or I get a lot of people to ask me how to successfully do it, so here we go. When I am about to unwrap my silk press, I like to go into the direction that I wrapped in and slowly spin it off. For some reason, it just seems like it helps and it keeps it nice and silky and smooth. And then I just like to plop it off and let the hair fall. I use my hands just to loosen the hair and the scalp. And oh my gosh, my shampoo smells so good. And then I take my knotless K, the tangle brush, and I begin to wrap. You see that hair still going that way, in that direction. So I just proceed to brush it down. And then if you have a part, your middle part, side part, you just part that out. And that is how you properly unwrap your silk press.